Today we're looking at the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum and mop combo, a budget-friendly option for automating daily floor maintenance. It promises strong suction and smart features for everyday cleaning. We'll dive into its real-world capabilities and whether it's a worthwhile investment for its price. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's examine how this robot performs with typical household messes. For daily dust and crumbs and simpler home layouts, this robot provides decent assistance. It effectively reduces visible light debris. Budget-friendly robot vacuums typically perform most effectively on hard floor surfaces. It's well-suited for maintaining these areas. Its design as a simple, self-charging robot makes it straightforward to get up and running for basic cleaning tasks. Deployment is easy. This robot's navigation, mapping, and object handling are not likely to match more premium systems. Manage expectations here. The ROPVACNIC robot is suitable for basic daily upkeep on hard floors, though its advanced navigation and obstacle handling capabilities are less sophisticated. Let's consider if its price reflects the overall value for buyers. The attractive low sale price is probably the main compelling reason to consider this robot. It offers a budget entry point. Despite its simpler functionality, this robot still offers valuable convenience. It can significantly reduce your daily manual sweeping efforts. Generic budget robot listings often emphasize powerful suction numbers, but this doesn't always translate into consistent real-world cleaning confidence. Be cautious. With limited brand depth and uncertain access to parts or support, the long-term ownership value is significantly reduced. This is a concern. The ROPVACNIC's low sale price provides good initial value, but its uncertain long-term ownership confidence and brand depth reduce its overall appeal. It's important to understand potential risks associated with budget robots. Evidence for trusted, long-term customer support and service is quite limited with this brand. This poses a significant buyer risk. Consistency and overall durability can vary significantly among generic budget robots. Long-term reliability is not guaranteed with this option. Buyers should not anticipate premium navigation features or deep cleaning performance from this robot. Adjusting expectations is crucial. A robust marketplace return policy becomes especially important for lesser-known robot brands. This provides a crucial safety net for buyers. Limited brand support and uncertain long-term reliability are key risks. Buyers should temper their performance expectations to match the price. The ROPVACNIC robot vacuum and mop combo offers an appealingly low price point for basic, daily hard floor maintenance. However, buyers should be aware of the limited brand confidence and uncertain long-term reliability. It's best suited as a low-risk experiment rather than a guaranteed long-term cleaning solution. Only consider it if you have strong return protection.